Workplace safety is a critical aspect of any business, and fire prevention is a significant part of this. Unplanned fire events can cause tremendous harm to not only employees but businesses as well. Using SlideTeam training module on strategies for workplace fire prevention, become confident and capable of effectively preventing and responding to potential fire incidents. Ensure your workplace is fire safe with our comprehensive PowerPoint deck. Click the link below to download and enjoy up to 15% off. The PPT resource provides an overview of the role of fire marshals, outlining their responsibilities and how their work contributes to a safer work environment. Then it explores the importance of regular fire drills and preparing employees for potential fire emergencies. It also contains fire safety checklists to maintain a safe workspace. Further, the PPT deck provides a step-by-step guide to creating a fire evacuation plan, ready to fortify your workplace against fire hazards. Our PowerPoint module is waiting for you. Follow the link below to download and start building a safer work environment. It then emphasizes the importance of a well-installed alarm system, clear evacuation routes, and easy-to-understand signage to guide employees during a fire emergency. The PowerPoint module details the essential firefighting equipment every workplace should have, the role of fire wardens, and the importance of having trained personnel on site. It then discusses the importance of regular testing of fire alarms and drills to minimize disruption in the event of a fire. Learn essential fire prevention strategies for your workplace with our PPT module. Click the download link below and boost your workplace safety. The PowerPoint module contains a sample fire evacuation plan, important fire safety tips, specific actions to take during a fire, the responsibilities of employers, and what is expected of employees in such situations. It also covers the responsible person's role and duties in maintaining a safe workspace. In essence, this PPT resource offers an in-depth and actionable guide to fire prevention strategies in the workplace, serving as a crucial resource for creating a safer and more prepared working environment.